morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. Thirsty Thursday. Oh. Last night, I prepared kind of my own creation. It was scheduled for breakfast for dinner. Then I kind of got thinking, I'm still trying to perfect this whole poached egg thing in the microwave, which led to a biscuit layer, then a sausage patty layer with the poached egg, and my green chile sauce, which I had in the fridge, the cold box. Then some cheddar cheese. Oh, still don't have the perfect eggs yet. Getting there. I'm getting close. Real close. So you'll see poached eggs in the future, again. But the sauce, I'm going to put this recipe up again for this green chile sauce. It is excellent. It's a must try. But we had fun with it, and we had hash browns. I had a couple extra bags. One was kind of an O'Brien cut, not really O'Brien, but they were more a more coarse hash brown cut. And then I had a regular hash brown cut, and I put them all together. Add a little bit of garlic and a little bit of onion and some salt and some pepper, some butter. I love butter in my hash browns. Got that going. So dinner was fun. Robin got home later. Unfortunately, she got home later, but I tried to keep the food as warm as I could. But hey, it happens. I love her to death. And she waited for me for many years when I was in the entertainment industry. So I'll get the green chili sauce, green sauce, whatever. You know what I'm saying. Tongue-tied. I've been up since 5. I don't know. My brain's going crazy about the cookbook. I'm putting together some advertising, some marketing stuff. If you don't have it yet, it's free. 120 plus recipes, plus 3 Easter eggs. There's 3 recipes in there that have no category. They're not marked anywhere in the book except for the pages they are on. All right, enough of that. Contact me if you want a copy, digital copy. Tonight, I'm going to read this right off the page. I am making a garlic Parmesan pork chops with cheesy scalloped potatoes. Yeah, they're combined. It's kind of cool. Let's get to it. Pretty simple hardware. Fry pan or skillet and a 9x13 baking pan. Got some pork, kosher salt, black pepper, Parmesan cheese, some breadcrumbs, which I'm going to add some Italian herb blend and some other goodies, and parsley and garlic, and a little bit of oil to help dredge up this pork, and the potatoes. I got 4 russets, which I'm going to use the mandolin on the very thinnest slice I can, with cheddar cheese. There's going to be more cheese than this, some butter, some onion, and the empty measuring cup is for the milk I will buy later on this morning. So there's all the wonderful ingredients. Basically, you cook, you get everything dredged, all the pork dredged and all that seasoned, yada, 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 yada. Get them started in a fry pan. Meanwhile, you get the sliced potatoes, you get them in, you get all the goodies for the potatoes in the pan, in the 9x13. I'm going to start the potatoes. There's a flaw. I found it last night, and Robin found it too. That made her find it. There's a flaw in the actual instructions in this recipe. I found it. I'm going to correct it. It wasn't mine, by the way. But we found it. We both found it. Yeah. So basically, you get everything together. You start the things, the pork chops in a skillet to get them crispy. Then you put them on top of the au gratin potatoes, but I'm going to put them on top about 30 minutes in, because the pork chops will already be cooked partially through. The recipe, the written recipe, says to put the pan in the oven and get the pork chops done, then put them on top of the potatoes, and then put them back in the oven for 60 minutes. It'll be shoe leather. Yeah, big flaw. Big. All right. On this Thirsty Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.